So good morning everybody. I am Jayashree from SNS College of Technology from the Department of Biomedical Engineering. I am going to take decoder. Okay. So let us see the interesting topic about the decoder. So what they will do in the decoder is in the analog circuits and in also the biomedical circuits. Let us see, these are the topics contents we are going to see today. Recall the manual switches and delays. That is, before decoders, they use the manual switches and delays. And what is the purpose of decoder and decoder operations, and why decoder is transferred in the biomedical world. So let us recall early biomedical equipment like ECG and pacemakers often related to mechanical switches or electromechanical relays. Okay, the switch was turned to connect one signal line to the output at a time. So the limitation is what? Bulky, slow and prone to wear. So this forms this limitations, what? Bulky, slow and prone to wear. So let us, before the decoders, they used manual switches, diodes, relays and patch panels. So after decoders, the biomedical devices become faster and safer and more automated. So let us see what I mean by decoder. Many systems require unique selection of devices or outputs. In biomedical equipment, MRI scan selecting the Gray coils, whereas in pacemakers activating only one phase, whereas in PathNet the circuit that activates one output at a time from the multiple possibilities. This is what? Decoder. Next one is what? This combination logic circuit, only one output is activated at a time. So for example, if you are hearing the FM, right, multiple channels is coming, but at the time we can hear only one channel, right? Similarly here, there are many inputs are coming. So here we can convert this into 2 power N output lines. This performs this decoding operations. So this is what the block diagram of this decoder. So it can convert n input into the 2 power n unique outputs. So for example, let us take, if it is a 2 input signal, the output is what? 2 power 2, 4 unique outputs. If it is a only one output, activate for each binary inputs combination. It is simple, fast, reliable for biomedical and computation applications. This is what this mind map for this decoder definition. So decoder logic circuits, its definition are types of circuit, input conservation and output characteristics, n-to-n conversion and primary operation. So the first stage includes the type of circuits. It is combinational circuit, and it converts n binary into 2 power n output signals, and only one output channel is activated, and it has n input lines and maximum of 2 per n output lines. The primary function is what? Identifying or detecting a particular code. Next one is what? Ideate. So we can, based on this limitation of this wiring, we have the various types of decoders. 2:4 decoder, 3:8 decoder, 4:16 decoder. So these inputs are, we can already formulate it, right? N inputs gives 4 outputs, 3 inputs gives 8 outputs, 4 input gives 16 outputs. Next one is what? Ideate. So this is what? We can define this 2:4 decoder. This 2 inputs, right? The 2 inputs, right? So here the 2 inputs gives 4 outputs. 4 outputs, right? So here E is what, but if you want to switch on the system, then only we know what is going to play, right? So here there is what? Enable signal. This is what the 4 combinations 0 0, 0 1, 1 0, 1 1. If it is 0 0, we can enable the output pin Y0. If it is 0 1, the output is 1, we can enable Y1. If it is 1 0, we can enable Y2. If it is 1 1, we can enable Y3. So these are the block diagram of this decoder. 2 inputs, 4 outputs and 1 enable signal. Next one is what? Assessment. Very interesting assessment. This is the primary characteristic of decoder output. when a specific n-bit binary input code is applied. So the specific sequence of the output channel is activated over time. The number of activated outputs is equal to the number of inputs. Only a signal or unique output channel is activated. Hint: all possible output channels are activated. Consider how a decoder is used to detect a particular code from many possibilities. This is what this hint. You can find out the answer and let me know later. This is what the applications of this decoder: memory addressing in computers, it is code conversion, data routing and demultiplexing. Whereas in biomedical application, it is used in MRI system for selecting specific gradients coils and is used in pacemakers to enable one output function at a time of phasing control. It is used in medical data routers for channel selections. So these are some references I have mentioned here for decoder. So thank you all. Have a great day. Success is a journey, not a destination. So thank you all.